Hello viewers, you are watching Astro Planet Forecast, and today we were going to talk about Virgo, especially the fascinating and potentially life-changing days from April 1st to April 5th, 2026. These few days could open unexpected doors of destiny while also bringing some important tests your way. If you belong to the sign of Virgo, the coming days might mark a meaningful turning point in your life. The movement of stars suggests that the hidden strength within you are about to reveal themselves. Matters that have been stuck for quite some time may finally begin to move forward. This period can bring you a fresh mindset, renewed courage, and a powerful sense of confidence. But remember, success usually belongs to those who stay firm in their decision and refuse to give up when challenges appear. Viewers, between April 1st and April 5th, the most important thing for Virgo individuals will be the accuracy of their decision. The position of the star suggests that you may face two different paths. One path might appear easy but offer limited rewarded, while the other may seem challenges at first yet bring surprisingly positive outcomes. Especially in the field of work or businesses, you might encounter an opportunity that you never seriously considered before. If you are employed, you could suddenly receive recognition or trust from a senior authority. There is also a chance to that you may be given a new responsibility that might intentionally seem difficult, but this very responsibility could become the foundation of your future success. Instead of hesitating, awaken your inner confidence and move forward with courage. When it's come to financial matters, these days carry notable importance for Virgo. The star indicates that an odd financial issue may begin to resolve itself. You might recover money that had been delayed or discovered an opportunity that increased your income. However, the things is extremely important. Do not rush into financial decisions. Sometimes the star presents opportunity while stimulating testing your wish. If you make a big move without careful thinking, it could lead to lose instead of gain. So if you are considering investment or major expense, take time to evaluate everything properly, and if possible, seek advice from someone experienced. In terms of love and relationship, this day may feel emotionally deep for Virgo individual. If you are in love, you might finally feel ready to express feelings that have long remained in your heart. The star suggests that honest and sincere communication can strengthen your relationship significantly. However, if there has been misunderstanding or emotional distance, this period will require patience and maturity. Sometimes silence itself becomes the best answer. If you are married, try to spend meaningful time with your partner, because it is often the small moments that strengthen the biggest relationship. Remember, love does not survive only through big promises, it also lives through small gestures of care. These days also carry significance. A family member may need your support or guidance. Virgo individuals are usually unknown for their wisdom and sense of responsibility, which is why relatives often look to them for advice. If any issue arises, try to resolve it thoughtfully rather than ignoring it. There is also a possibility that good news may enter the household, such as someone's success, a joyful event, or an uplifting announcement that brings happiness to the family environments. The stars also hint that the prayers and blessing of elders could become a powerful source of supporting for you. For students and those pursuing education, this day may also be important. If you are facing an exam, interview, or important academic step, there is a strong chance that your hard work may finally bring to show result. However, this will only happen if you keep your focus strong. Distractions such as excessive phone use, social media, and unnecessary activities can drain your energy. If you truly want success, try to keep your attention completely directed towards your goal during this day. Remember, destiny often favors those who create their own path through effort and dedication. Virgo individuals should remain slightly cautious. The planetary position suggests that mental pressure or fatigue could affect your energy level. If you have been working without rest, it is important to take some time for recovery. Pay attention to your diet, drink plenty of water, and if possible, spend some time walking each day. For mental health, prayer, meditation, and positive thinking may prove very beneficial. Remember, a strong body and a calm mind are the true foundation that help a person achieving victory. Viewers, overall, the period from April 1st to April 5th, 2026 may become a time of change, opportunities, and important decision for Virgo. Some doors may close, but at the same time, destiny could open new ones for you. Real success will depend on your ability to overcome fear and move forward with confidence. If you show patience, wisdom, and determination during this day, you may soon notice a powerful positive transformation in your life. These were the important cosmic signals for Virgo in the coming days. The stars can show the direction, but the real power always lies in your own decisions and action. Believe in your abilities because sometimes even we ourselves don't realize how much success we are truly capable of achieving. Viewers, if you find this prediction informative and interesting, then go ahead and hit the like button right now so we know that you enjoy watching more powerful and heart-touching videos like this. Make sure to leave a comment below and tell us what your zodiac sign is and whether the prediction feels connected to what's happening in your life. Your opinion truly matters to us and we make sure to read every single comment you leave. And if you'd like to your friends and family member to discover the secrets of their destiny and the hidden signs of the coming days, then share this video right now so this message can reach as many people as possible. For more astrological insights, powerful prediction, and the fascinating secret of destiny, make sure to subscribe our channel Astro Planning Forecast and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upcoming videos. We'll see you in the next video with another surprising and exciting prediction. Until then, take good care of yourself.